Hello, my name is Marjorie. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So I hope everyone is doing well. I know that we're entering another busy season. There's a lot of students that are graduating as the school year is closing. So it's been busy, but every season has its busy time. But I love it. I think that it's wonderful to always have an opportunity for new type of memories. So I just love it. So I hope that you all are planning your family trips, family gathering over the summer, and just have a wonderful, wonderful time. So with that being said, I wanted to hop on here because I was able to make a purchase from Karen Anderson. I will link her YouTube channel in the description box, and she is the vintage elegance inspiration. I will again link that her YouTube channel in the description box. So she makes these beautiful silk bundle offerings, and she also included she in her offerings a project that you do from start to finish, but everything is included in it. So it arrived, and also here, this is a beautiful piece of silk that she has. I have always seen it, and I don't know even. I love this piece so very much. This is so special, and I couldn't believe it because these are vintage silks, so she only has a limited amount, but she was able to find a piece and was so lovely, included that in the purchase I made from her. So this is just a very beautiful, the softest blush pink. I mean, my nail polish is pink, but this is just the softest, palest pink I have ever seen. And oh my goodness, I just love it so much. So thank you so much, Karen. This is just absolutely exquisite and gorgeous. And when I went to her YouTube, she was offering this kit. This has a French name to it, so I'm not going to say it, but I will link the name in the description box. But this is a wonderful project that has all the pieces in here, and you come out with a final product, and it just is so gorgeous. I'm actually gonna link the video in her YouTube channel because she breaks everything down, and in fact she has put this together in the finished product, and it's just gorgeous. So I really was so excited that she had some of these available and I was able to grab it. So it's just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Matter of fact, I will see if I can do I will show once I finish the project. So this is so exciting. Another beautiful thing I ordered from her was this beautiful, gorgeous silk bundle. Let me see if I can. I absolutely love silks. Oh, okay. And also, this is her information. Vintage Elegance Inspiration. And this is her email if you want to contact her. And she also has Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. But I will provide all that information, but you can go ahead and take a screenshot here. And she is lovely to work with, so I highly recommend if you have any specific type of projects and you're looking for a specific silk, please feel free to reach out to her and she will let you know what she has available and can get something for you. So this is just beautiful. So she wraps this. Oh, this feels so lovely. butterfly brooch. And look at this. Oh, I love it so much. The pearl. Oh my goodness, just the most gorgeous silks you can think of. I love this so much. And then look at this beautiful sapphire color. I hope the camera is picking up. It's so luxurious. And just the way the light catches the fabric is just so beautiful. Reminds me of the ocean. And so here's another chiffon or silk chiffon tie. So there's this and this. These two gorgeous pieces. And I don't know if because it's raining, it's actually storming right now, so hopefully my lighting it's good. I have lighting issues because I don't have that much natural light coming in, but the time that it does, it overpowers the light that I have here on my desk. But there's this beautiful two-tone, it's almost like a periwinkle, but there's a lavender and almost like a blue. Is so beautiful, gorgeous, and a very generous piece as well. So if you're looking to have a specific project, oh my goodness, this would be so beautiful. Jewel tone bundles she had different tones, so I got this deeper color because I loved it. And look at this. I don't know if you can see the pattern, but it looks like flower, beautiful flower. I'm not sure if it's roses, but it's definitely a beautiful flower, and it has like a grape purple jewel tone look. I just love the way this feels. So look at this beautiful, gorgeous bundle right here. So that's one. And I was looking for a green. I love pink, so definitely I do have a few pinks, but I've been wanting an olive, a grape, a green silk, and that I don't have. So she was able to take a look if she had something, and she did say that she does have, but you have to communicate with her, because then that way she can verify and work with you. And like I said, she's really, really lovely to work with. I love the way silk and these luxurious fabrics pick up light. It's just so beautiful to me. Oh, let me slide it. That's what I did before. And I also love the way she chooses like vintage jewelry pieces. I think that's just so gorgeous. Love this. And look at this. So gorgeous. Again, just another beautiful, luxurious vintage silk. So I was thinking more like spring or even into Christmas. I would like to have this color on hand. So I have this, and here's another gorgeous, beautiful, like earthy, like a copper. I don't know. Maybe like, oh, I just love it. I don't want to say pumpkin, but it's a beautiful color. I would say copper. It's just gorgeous. I hope you can see that. And again, generous pieces. So if you have a project in mind, you can definitely do a few things just based on what you're making. So here's that other. It is the same piece as the other bundle, But I love, love, love the way it feels, and I hope this is picking up the sheen. I love that. It looks, oh, like an eggplant color. I love that. That's beautiful. And here's another gorgeous tie. I love that. And look at this green. This is a beautiful green. I love, love, love this. I think even though it's raining, you can still see the way the light picks up. The fabric picks up the light. This is so gorgeous. Thank you so much, Karen, for putting this together for me. I really do appreciate that. And ladies, if you are wanting to look and have these gorgeous selection of silks, so when you're crafting or when you're making something very special, I mean, look at that. You have it all right here, and she can coordinate it, like I said, just depending on what she has available. So if you reach out to her, she'll let you know. And again, she may have some of these left, so I would just reach out to her and see if she has any of these and these kits. And I will also link the video of her showing this already built. So this is just so exciting. So thank you for coming along with me. I really, really, really am so inspired by so many of you ladies out here. Thank you, Karen, for your inspiration and your inspirational videos. I really do appreciate the community, building each other up and being positive. There's just so many things that I'm thankful for, and so many people that I'm thankful for. So I hope that we continue to keep encouraging one another. Thank you, and you have a wonderful day.